Today, I'll show you how to install the MK-07 chassis armor. First, use a 2.5mm hex screwdriver. Remove the two mounting screws on the chassis. Then, use the longer screws from the accessory pack. Secure the stainless steel chassis. Similarly, use the 2.5mm screwdriver to remove the two mounting screws from the rear axle housing. Note that one screw is longer than the other. Use the longer screws from the accessory pack to secure the axle housing armor. Install the front axle housing armor in the same way. When installing the front bumper armor, remove the R-clips from the car body first. Lift up the car body. Use a 2.0mm screwdriver to remove the two mounting screws here. Do the same on the other side. Insert the front bumper armor. Align the holes, then use the longer screws from the accessory pack to secure it. That's all there is to installing the MK-07 chassis armor. Thanks for visiting the Rlaarlo engineering workshop again.